go there, guys. I'm just going to cover the replacement of the speaker in the back of the Triton here. So there's just a couple. These aren't too bad to get off. Get a trim tool in there, pop off that small little bit of plastic. You got a Phillips screwdriver under there. So we'll take this off. This will come out like so. Remember that actually pop out? No, that doesn't. And then in here, the Phillips as well. These actually Triton back doors are very easy to get off. Thank you, Mitsubishi. That's a different size from that one, so just keep an eye on your sizes. And then pretty much around the outside of the door here, you've just got a couple of screws. So Phillips ones. So they will just unscrew. One, there's one. There's only one apparently. And then you do have only the one little screw on that. There was a screw like a Phillips screw there, and then you do have in here. You can put a trim tool under this like top bit. It'll pop off. Just has a clip on it, and that should allow you to come in and pull the whole door off like that. It'll be strong enough just to be like hanging there, and then I'll show you the speaker down the bottom. So you can see that in here. This is our factory speaker here. So all you're going to have to do is sort of pushing that plug at the top there. It's got a little tab on it. That'll come off, and then you twist the speaker to the left and pull, and there's your old speaker. So that's a small old one. So we're going to go and replace that and put our new one in. Grab our rear speaker. It's the coaxial one, which means it has a little tweeter in the middle. Plug in the speaker plug here, like so. That goes in. Now we include a foam backing, a ring in the kit. We might pre-put these on and we might not. It's kind of up to you. But just for back of the speaker. So once they go in, just got to shove it through the gap like so, and then again twist on. So if you have it on or I don't have it on, that is what it's all about. Then what you'd probably want to do is just put some sound through the speaker, and I'll make sure it's working, and then you can go and put the door back on. So I just tested the sound and it was all good. Now you just need to go and slide your door thing back on. If your plastic pulled down a little bit, just stick it back on. Just pull down a bit here because it's actually in the sun, and it just sun semi mounted it off. So you can see here I left one behind, so I need to pull off like that. We will include in the kit a couple of these, just so make it a bit easier for you. But if you do leave any of those in the door, you have to take them off before you put it back in, because the key thing is to line all those things up, so you can sort of bang the door back on. Like so, and then you just want to go back through and put in I just think you took off back in reverse, and then that is the rear speaker all installed. That's that back door all done, and you just have to go across to the other side. Now, so a quick recap was sort of pop off that little piece of plastic. There's like a Phillips screw in there, a Phillips screw in there, Phillips screw here, trim tool behind here, pop off this top piece of plastic. Then you can pretty much pull the whole door skin, it'll come out, throw our speaker in, and good as gold.